Hello, Sky Traders. Welcome back to a new YouTube video. It's been a while. Thank you so much for your patience. And this is a new recap video where we're gonna discuss and analyze the Bitcoin dollar. Over the past couple of days, weeks, we've been struggling, or like the Bitcoin have been struggling to cross this level, and now we're trading and consolidating between the 21,333 and 26,599 price range. I know it's been a while since we had this recap video or analysis video, but yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Let's analyze the Bitcoin dollar, do our top down analysis as usual, and see what the charts are telling us or how we anticipate and what's going on with the market right now. So, as you know, that we usually do top down analysis, meaning that we do like weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, up to 15 minutes and 5 minutes time frame, so we can figure out what opportunities we can actually hunt in the market. So on the daily time frame, I'm only interested actually to see on the daily time frame right now, because this is all of the action, what's happening right now. So since the last drop that happened, let's highlight this area that happened here, breaking this market structure, right? And let's highlight a very important candle that I'm really interested to show you guys. This is a really important candle, this high pressure sell candle, right? We broke this candle with a high pressure sell candle. We tried to trade back, and then the huge sell side order flow, right? And we didn't trade back to this area. We just tried to trade back to 50% or halfway there back in 13th of August 22nd. And right now we're trading the same level, right? But bear in mind that there is also another important level that I really want to highlight. But in this time, it's the upside order flow. This is a really important level, this high pressure buy candle. When we broke it, then we had a buy side order flow. And also I want to highlight this buy pressure candle when we broke it with this high pressure buy candle. So now basically we're consolidating in this level, right? So what I really want to see right now at the moment is either a drop, and this drop is going to happen until we reach at least this wick of the candle. Then I can expect a further push to the upside, or a high pressure buy candle breaking this market structure. Then we're going to be ready also to shoot to the upside. Why? Because those two areas are two important areas of order block. So either we can expect an order block, so price is going to reject and continue the upside or the buy side liquidity, or we're going to have a breaker block. So price is going to break through this market structure way down to the previous or to the old market structure that we broke back in 11th of Jan 2023. That's why I'm really interested in those two areas. The $1 million question: are we in a bull market yet? Is it a bear market? Are we gonna visit previous lows like 10,000, 15,000 and so on? Or we're ready to go upside? The answer is eventually, yeah, we're gonna go to a bull cycle, which is pretty much obvious to anyone. Can be early 2024, can be later this year. But in order to comply this or to align this with our analysis right now, that's why I'm really putting some important areas that you need to take care of. This is an important one. This is an important one. This is an important one because it was followed by a order flow on the buy side. And now, basically on the price delivery conditions, when we have consolidation, expansion, another consolidation, then we can expect another expansion or a retracement. If the retracement happens, then we are highlighting those areas, right? If consolidation then expansion, then I'm highlighting this is the next potential area to reach, which is going to be around 30K. Are we ready to move to 30K right now? Yes. Shall we go there tomorrow, the day after, next week? No. We're going to wait until we can confirm, is it an order block or a breaker block? Because here's a sell side liquidity or an order flow on the sell side, another order flow on the sell side. So we need to cover all of these gaps. Where are we going to cover them? In the next bull run. But every time we cover those areas, we expect some kind of rejection or breaker blocks, similar to what happened in here. This was another sell side liquidity. Let me remove the drawings so you can see it. Here, it was another sell side liquidity, right? So once price reached this area, you can either expect a breaker block, similar to what happened in here by this high pressure buy candle, or a retracement. So once we reach this area, we can expect either some kind of retracement or a breaker block. Same here, retracement or breaker block. Same here. Same here. Same here. Until we cover all of the previous liquidity voids. Am I bullish on crypto? Yes. So it's not about like when shall I buy right now. If you're thinking about long-term investment in crypto, so yeah, here's the question. Actually, it's the question for you. If you're daily trading crypto, then we're gonna find a lot of opportunities right now to enter and to formulate your opinion about the market. That's not a problem. But if you're here to listen and learn about long-term investments, so here's the question. Would you really care about buying like Bitcoin at 22K or 22.5K or 22.3K or 22.1K if eventually you are optimistic and you are bullish about Bitcoin that's gonna reach 200 or 300 or 400K? It's not gonna matter that much, right? So those slight differences, if you buy now, if you buy when it's 22.4, if you buy when it's 22.5, 22.6, 22, 22.1, even 20.9, it's always good to buy the dip. But in the crypto and what's happening right now in the market, the dip is not an exact point. You'd never see the dip. Once you reach the dip, you never catch it. Sometimes, most of the time, you can't catch actually the actual dip. It just happens. So the dip in our case, it's a range, price range. As long as you're buying within this price range, then you're buying the dip actually. This is the idea that you have to focus on. Because market makers are never going to let you buy the exact dip. You're not going to see it. If this is the dip, most of the people actually didn't participate in the market. Huge order flow in the upside. If this is not the dip and there is another push down, also you're not going to see it. So the important thing is to formulate a price range, and any price that you're going to buy within this price range is considered a dip for you. This is for long-term investment. For short-term or for day trading or daily trading, I told you important points that you need to highlight. This is a market structure. This is a market structure. This is a market structure. And this is a market structure. So if you consider a price range or a price motion, this is the first ceiling of the price range. This is the bottom ceiling of this price range. And this is the 50%. If you look into 4 hours time frame, expansion, consolidation, expansion, consolidation, retracement, expansion, retracement, and this is our new market structure. So from here, either I'm going to see another drop in price, then retracement, then another drop to cover all of this order flow, or high pressure buy candle breaking this market structure to reach up to the ceiling of this trading range that we highlighted. And it's really critical right now, guys, because again, this is the manipulation phase. This is where some of the retail traders think, oh, all right, this is not the bottom yet, so I'm shorting. Or this is the bottom, so I'm buying, I'm all in. This is how you liquidate the market. On the 1 hour time frame, let's remove the drawings. This is a really important level because this was the previous order block. Price tried to trade back, rejection, consolidation, another expansion. So if price is going to drop down, I would see price go and visit this previous order block. Why? Because a lot of sell stops and sell orders or stop losses of buy orders are scattered and placed here. So if price dropped, I want to see taking all of these orders. The thing about what's happening in crypto right now or in the markets right now, again, is manipulation by market makers. And on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that there is a huge order flow or heavy orders on the sell direction. These kind of heavy orders should be fulfilled by stop losses or by taking out some buy orders from the market. So we can continue the uptrend. What's the next level? This is the next level. What's the next level? This is the next level. So it's always about seeing some kind of confirmations so you can make up your mind and understand once price reaches these levels, I know exactly what price is trying to do. And again, if you're a long-term investor, you just not care about all of these fractions of price. So go open your charts, try to highlight these areas, figure out what's missing, and wait till price gives you some specific confirmation, whether it's breaker block, order block, or took previous stop losses, or covers our previous trading range that we highlighted. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in next videos.